In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I package my sticker orders for Etsy. This is a sticker. I have my packing supplies here. This is how to do it with a printer, and I'm gonna have all the products I use in the description for you. So I made these backing cards, just basic cardstock. I put my branding on it. I'm going to attach my sticker to the cardstock. It just adds a little bit more protection during shipping. You can take any type of tape. I just have a little piece of tape here, and I am going to stick the sticker in the middle. And now we have a cute presentation for our sticker. And I have these cellophane bag here. It's a 3x5" bag. My backing card fits in there perfectly. And I am going to press it all the way down like this. This is how I protect my sticker during transit. No water gets on it during shipping. You can also take an extra postcard and place it on top of the order if you need extra protection, and just write a little note for the customer. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my micron pen, it doesn't really matter what kind, and I'm just going to write thank you for ordering. I have found that adding a personal touch does wonders for people leaving reviews. They really love having that connection with you as a seller. Like, you're the artist and you wrote them a personal note. And I also have these stickers here that I'm going to add. It's going to serve two purposes. It's going to stick this note to the top of here so it stays in place, but it's also going to be cute packaging. And we're going to place it in our envelope. Now I also add an insert into my envelope. You have multiple options here. You can add a thank you card that can also double as your note card. Or I'm going to add this join my newsletter sign up sheet. So if you want to join my newsletter, it is in the description. I have freebies that I give out for my VIP club. I add something like that to my shop because it gives more privacy to your order. It also makes it feel more like a regular piece of mail. So anything that'll help it run through the system better. So you weigh all of your letters and make sure that they are under 1 ounce. They can be over. If you have more than one sticker, they might be. But if they're under 1 ounce, you get the cheapest shipping. So we're going to measure it. It comes out to 0.5 ounces. So I know for a fact, once I add my shipping labels, it'll be under 1 ounce. So for the outside, I also print my packaging on my label printer. And you can print these on regular sticker paper as well. I doodle these, and this is the main packaging that I use for the outside of my letters to seal it, to make sure it does not open during transit. And for Etsy, you do need tracked letter shipping. And you can get that right inside of Etsy. I'll show you how to do that. So now let's get to printing out our label. I'm printing it on my regular printer. I have my label paper here. This is just basic printer paper really, but it has a sticky adhesive. And it's super cheap. I'm only printing one label. If you print more than one, you can have it do one on each side. And if you're using a label printer, you can have it set the labels to 4x6 inches. I'll show you how I set up my labels. We are going to head to my Etsy shop. You can see all my products for sale here. So we have to go to our shop manager, and I'm going to blur out my information just for my privacy. We are going to go to orders, and I have one order to ship today. Let's get our shipping labels. You go here to the little truck icon. You can print your packing slips here. You can update your ship by date if you can't get it out by the date you set, and you can mark it as a gift. So what I'm going to do is do shipping label. This order is for Madeline. I already have a label preset, which I think is great to set this up. I will show you how to make that for yourself. What you want to do if you're shipping only a sticker is choose letter here on package type. Go in package weight and do 1 ounce, and then put in the exact measurements of your envelope. Mine is, I think, 7.25 by 5.25. For height, I do 0.25. Buyers pay 75 cents for tracked letter mail, and they have the option to upgrade and pay $4 for regular ground advantage shipping. But for this purpose, we're shipping letter mail, so do USPS first class mail, which takes up to 7 days to deliver. Insurance is not included. I have never had a problem where I've had to ship out my orders again, maybe once. out of like 400 or 500 sticker orders. This method works really well for me. If I had an order that was worth more than $20, I would just upgrade them automatically to a $4 package that comes with insurance up to $100 value. So the delivery service I use is USPS. The USPS is the only option you have for letter mail on Etsy. If you are doing this for the first time, you can save this as a new label preset. So you enter your preset name here. So sticker mail. You click save and you can just reuse these settings every time. It makes it so easy. I'm going to pick my label settings, sticker letter mail. It automatically says 1 ounce, 7 by 5 inches by 2 inch, and 74 cents. Also, something you might see here, they give you a suggested address, so make sure if this comes up that you actually do it, because it helps them sort their letter so they're not getting stuck in the sorting stage. Make sure it says USPS verified. And if you have problems, you can always reach out to your customer and have them send their correct address. You have the option to have them email you your notifications. I personally don't turn this on. So let's purchase our label. And this can come out of either your sales money or it can come out of your bank account, whichever you prefer. And now we get to print our shipping label and print our packaging slips. So I'm going to print my label first, and I'm just going to fit to printable area, and then I'll cut it down to size afterwards. I'm going to print this in black and white, and that's easy for that one. Printing the packaging slip is also easy. You have all of the information on what they ordered. If you had a note to buyer, it would be here as well. And we're gonna print this off. I just go down here and do 4 per sheet, and then I cut it off. I print this on regular letter paper and I just stick it in the order. So let's go pick these up. Now that we have our shipping label, we're just gonna add this to the front side of our letter and then stick your packaging slip on the inside. And that's it. Now you can add any extras you want to your order. Just make sure you don't add a lot of stuff if you're on the verge of 1 ounce. But if not, you can go crazy at this point. I'm just gonna add this here on the back of the order just to have my branding. And I'm also gonna add something to cover this up. I'll just add a few to make it look intentional. And that's it. You have your order. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like this video and subscribe, and I will be making more small business tutorials for you. And as always, you can check out my shop in the description. I'll see you in my next video.